Hello students, welcome to chapter 7 Control and Coordination. Let us read the question and answers. Hormones present in greater concentration in area of rapid cell division such as in fruit and seed is seen in cytokinesis. The growth of pollen tubes towards ovules is due to the process of chemotrophism. Then why pancreas called as mixed gland? Because it has endocrine gland and exocrine gland. Question 3. Which part of the brain stimulates pituitary gland to release hormones? It is hypothalamus. What is feedback mechanism? Mechanism that regulates the secretion of hormones right time in a right quantity is called feedback mechanism. Name the plant hormone responsible for the following: set elongation, auxins, stem growth, gibberellins, cell division, cytokinins, whittling of leaves, abscisic acid. Which hormone is called personality hormone and why? Thyroxine hormone is called personality hormone because it regulates carbohydrates, proteins, fats, metabolism in body so as to provide the best balance for growth. Which hormone is responsible for plant to bend towards the light and explain? Auxin hormone is responsible for plant to bend towards the light. When growing plants detect light, a hormone called auxin synthesized at the shoot tip and helps the cell to grow longer. When light is coming from one side of the plant, an auxin diffuses toward the shady side of the shoot and stimulates the cell to grow longer on the side of the shoot which is away from the light. How adrenaline hormone prepares our body to face the emergency situation. During emergency situation, adrenaline is secreted directly into the blood and carried to different parts of the body and act on the largest organ or the specific tissues, which includes the heart. As a result, the heart beats faster, resulting in supply of more oxygen to our muscles. The blood to the digestive system and skin is reduced due to contraction of muscle around small arteries in this organ. This diverts the blood to our skeletal muscle. The breathing rate also increases because of the contraction of the diaphragm and the rib muscle. All these responses together enable the animal body to be ready to deal with the situation. Next is, what is the difference between reflex action and walking? Reflex action is involuntary and controlled by the spinal cord. Walking is voluntary and controlled by the brain. What happens at the synapse between two nephrons? At the nerve ending of a neuron, the electrical signal releases chemicals. These chemicals across the gap or synapse and at a similar electric impulse in a dendrite of the next neuron. Why hormones are called chemical messenger? The hormones secreted from endocrine glands reach the target organs through the blood and stimulates particular function. Hence, hormones are called chemical messenger. What are plant hormones? Name different types. These are the chemical substances naturally produced in plants which controls the growth and development responses and other physiological functions of the plant. The different phytohormones are auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylene and abscisic acid. Now after this we have one important diagram, that is the diagram of the brain. Draw the diagram showing the longitudinal section of human brain. Thanks for watching.